After studying the course paper entitled Public Policy in India in the Department of Political Science, School of Creative and Liberal Arts at Lovely Professional University, we understand its role in shaping equitable, sustainable, effective policies and also acknowledging its importance of addressing emerging challenges and opportunities.
As the students of the state course in the Department of Political Science at LPU, we shall be committed to the following principles and actions in future.
Number first, embracing diversity and inclusion.
It focuses on prioritizing policies that foster inclusivity and diversity in decision-making processes. It helps in advocating for equitable representation of all communities in policy development and implementation.
Number second, climate action and environmental sustainability.
This means that supporting policies that address climate change, promote renewable energy and advance sustainable practices, encouraging research and collaboration to find innovative solutions for environmental challenges.
Number 3, technology and ethical governance.
It helps in promoting policies that balance technological advancement with ethical considerations, advocating for transparency, accountability, and responsible use of emerging technologies in public administration.
Number fourth is healthcare access and equity.
Aims at working towards policies that ensure universal access to quality healthcare by addressing disparities in healthcare outcomes and advocating for health equity.
Number 5, social and economic justice.
It means supporting policies that aim to reduce income inequality and promote social and economic justice, advocating for fair labor practice, affordable housing, and education accessibility.
Sixth one is global cooperation.
In global cooperation, we recognize the interconnectedness of global challenges and advocate for international cooperation in policy solution. By that, promoting diplomacy, collaboration, and mutual understanding for addressing shared problems.
Number 7 is data privacy and cybersecurity.
Includes supporting policies that protect individual privacy rights in the digital age. Also, advocating for robust cyber security measures to safeguard against cyber threats and ensure the integrity of information.
8. Community engagement and empowerment.
It means encouraging active involvement of communities in the policy-making process. It supports initiatives that empower marginalized community to participate in decision-making.
So, for concluding this, I'll say this resolution serves as a commitment to addressing the challenges of our time and contributing to the development of thoughtful, effective and ethical public policies. Thank you.